We're problem solvers and innovators, relentlessly focused on results and customer satisfaction. What might be beyond the limits for other machine shops is run-of-the-mill at Greno Industries. As the first fabrication company to employ CNC machines, we're a global leader and trendsetter, helping to shape the future for a broad range of industries, from power generation and aerospace to medical and food processing. We've earned a stellar reputation by serving a dynamic community of customers, both large and small, from all over the world, with honesty and trust, speed and accuracy. We make it our mission to go above and beyond for each and every customer. From aluminum to waspalloy to the exotic and well-known, the list of materials Greno works with is as comprehensive as the type of projects we've undertaken during our 60 years in business. Turn to Greno to provide the first-class services for your next precision manufacturing job. We're equipped with top-of-the-line machines with horizontal and vertical turning capabilities, live tooling, and in-house gun drilling. Here is manufacturing engineer Joe Boudreau with a quick tour of our equipment lineup.
This is the large turning cell at Greno Industries. We have both vertical and horizontal turning capability. Our first machine is the Akuma 650. This is a dual turret machine, 34-inch swing with 72 inches on center. The equipment in this cell should be able to handle most of the large turning needs of our customers. We also have its big brother. This is the Akuma 7000. This is a 34-inch swing machine as well, 72-inch on center. However, this machine has full live tooling capability. The component in this machine right now requires OD turning and ID boring. And as you can see on the lower turret, we have both tools loaded in the machine. This obviously greatly reduces downtime, allows us to do multiple operations in one setup. Vertically, we have 3 VTLs. The max capability is 92 inches swing, 72 inches under the rail. 2 of our 3 VTLs have live tooling, one of which is the New Century. Having multiple VTLs allows Greno Industries to perform first side and second side operation on 2 different machines, which increases our throughput. Our largest VTL, the Toshiba TUE 200, has 92-inch swing, 72 inches under the rail. It also has full live tooling capability. Live tooling allows us to do bolt patterns, slots, certain milling features without having to pull the part off the machine and put it on a separate milling machine.
Fasteners that make the connection. Bolts, nuts, studs. Large diameter fasteners. Greno provides precision fasteners to industries worldwide where critical tolerances and exacting specifications are demanded. Regardless of the material or testing requirements, you can turn to Greno. We keep, in-house, a broad selection of fine metals and high-temp alloys, ranging from carbon steel to exotic metals. And we take quality testing very seriously. Parts are tested before being sent to any location. And we also offer in-house gun drilling capabilities. Greno's gun drilling machines are engineered and built to achieve desired tolerances within deeply drilled holes.
One of the core product lines of Greno Industries is large industrial fasteners. This encompasses studs, nuts, and bolts. And one of the key differentiators for Greno Industries is the fact that we have in-house gun drilling capability. This is typically an outsourced item for most companies. We have the ability to gun drill an 1.25 inch through hole through 60 inches of material in metals as tough as Inconel 718. This, combined with our CNC horizontal lathe capability, makes us one of the leading manufacturers for large industrial fasteners,
giving us the ability to meet and exceed even the most demanding client expectations. Greno offers a full range of precision machining services, from CNC large horizontal and vertical turning to testing, laser and plasma cutting, plating, and heat treating. Our state-of-the-art CNC software and machinery allows us to provide accurate and efficient precision machining services from smallest parts up to those as large as 144 inches, and includes all types of grinding, turning, milling, gun drilling, and so much more. When you work with Greno Industries, you can expect precision and professional service at competitive prices. We've worked hard to earn a reputation for superior products, customer service, and dependability. Turn to Greno for your next application. We pledge we will go above and beyond